I'm Dr. Lou Ignarro for Herbalife Nutrition. You've probably heard a lot about omega-3 fatty acids. Let me tell you why they are so important and where you can find them. We recommend that 30% of your daily caloric intake should consist of healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, to help maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels already within a normal range. We've got a great product called Herbalifeline that can help you get omega-3s in your diet. Herbalifeline is a specially formulated blend of highly refined marine lipids with high-quality omega-3s. To get as many omega-3s as we recommend, take one soft gel with a meal 2 or 3 times a day. Help keep your body's engine running as smoothly as possible. You'll be glad you did.